I'm ready, set, go. Hi everyone, I'm Urban Ranger and I'm going to be your instructor for this part of the course, Coding for Artists. We're going to be using for this the P5JS library and platform. They have a great online editor which makes this really easy. So one of the things that we're going to do throughout this course is kind of integrate all kinds of different art concepts. When we do that, we're going to have a little bit of information about art, and then we'll have a lot of information about coding, and then you get to try to apply it and then share it with others in the class. So stick with it, and at first sometimes it's a little bit tricky, and this course does, because it's kind of a second level class, expect you to have a little bit of background. So either if you've done Khan Academy or if you've done some of the other work through Dan Schiffman or the beginner stuff, that would be great first. There's also some links down in the description and in the course that'll give you links to books and other resources, because this is a little bit higher. This is kind of a level 200 kind of class. But let's get to the welcome to the Coding for Artists class, and let's get started.